Welcome back. If you're looking to turn your regular bicycle into a powerful and convenient electric ride, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best electric bicycle conversion kits of 2026. From easy-to-install hub motor systems to powerful mid-drive setups, these kits can give your existing bike electric assistance without requiring you to buy a completely new e-bike. We'll compare them based on performance, installation, compatibility, battery options, build quality, and overall value. So, whether you're upgrading your daily commuter or simply want an easier ride, stay tuned to find the right conversion kit for your needs. And don't forget to check the product links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. 5-point OBX EB26. Looking for a reliable way to protect your car from intense sunlight and summer heat? The EcoNor Windshield Sunshade is a practical solution designed to help block harmful UV rays and reduce heat buildup inside your vehicle. Made from durable 240T polyester, it helps keep your dashboard, seats, and interior more comfortable while providing broad windshield coverage. Its reinforced overlapping design can expand up to 8 inches and fits windshields up to 64 by 32 inches, making it suitable for many sedans, hatchbacks, and mini SUVs. The pop-open design makes installation quick and easy, while the included storage pouch allows for convenient folding and storage when not in use. Available in multiple sizes, you can choose the option that best matches your vehicle for maximum coverage. Check the AliExpress link in the video description to see the latest price, available sizes, and product details. 4. Kunray KR5V. The Kunray KR5V 72 5000-watt electric brushless motor kit is a powerful upgrade option for dirt bikes, razor-style bikes, and MX bikes, delivering up to 5,000 watts rated power with peak power reaching 10,000 watts. Designed for high-performance electric bike conversions, this brushless DC motor kit can provide strong acceleration, responsive performance, and efficient power delivery. Its 72-volt system is suited for riders looking to transform a compatible bike into a more powerful electric setup. Whether you're upgrading an existing electric bike or building a custom project, the Kunray KR5V offers a combination of high power and versatile performance. Check the AliExpress link in the YouTube video description to learn more about the Kunray KR5V 72-volt 5,000-watt motor kit and see the latest price and availability. 3. Tongsheng TSD-Z8. Upgrade your ride with the Tongsheng mid-drive e-bike conversion kit, a versatile option for turning a compatible bicycle into an electric bike. Available in different motor options, including the TSD-Z8 750 watts, TSD-Z2B 250 watts 500 watts, and TSD-Z16 1000 watts. These kits feature a torque-sensing mid-drive system designed to provide a more natural riding experience by responding to your pedaling effort. Whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or looking for an efficient way to enhance your bicycle, this conversion kit offers a practical combination of motor assistance and pedal control. Check the product link in the description to see the available models, specifications, and current AliExpress pricing. 2. Varstrom TSD-Z16. Looking to upgrade your bicycle with powerful electric assistance? These high-power mid-drive motor kits offer multiple options, including the 1,000-watt TSD-16, 750-watt TSD-Z8, 500-watt TSD-Z2B, and 250-watt TSD-Z2B, giving you the flexibility to choose the performance level that fits your riding needs. Featuring advanced torque sensor technology, the motor delivers smooth, responsive, and natural pedal assistance in real time. Designed for standard 68 to 73 millimeters bottom brackets, these kits can fit many modern bicycles without requiring frame modifications. The 1,000-watt version delivers up to 160 newton-meters of maximum torque, providing strong performance for steep hills and challenging terrain. With an IPX5 waterproof rating, brushless motor design, 36 volts or 48-volt system support, and controller current options up to 38s, these kits are built for reliable performance. Brake levers and sensors are also included to automatically cut motor power during braking for improved control and safety. Check out the product link in the YouTube video description to learn more and see the latest price on AliExpress. 1. BAFANG M315/M615. Upgrade your bicycle with the BAFANG mid-drive electric bike conversion kit, available in BBS01B, BBS02B, and BBS HD configurations with different power and voltage options. Designed for compatible mountain bikes, road bikes, and commuter bicycles, this mid-drive system places the motor at the crank for balanced weight distribution and strong climbing performance. Depending on the selected version, you can choose from options such as 250 watts, 500 watts, 750 watts, or 1000 watts, with compatible 48 volts and 52 volts configurations available. The kit can include components such as a display, crank arms, chainring, speed sensor, throttle, brake controls, wiring, and installation tools, depending on the package you select. If you're looking for a customizable way to convert a suitable bicycle into an electric bike, this BAFANG kit is worth checking out. Be sure to verify your bike's bottom bracket size, battery compatibility, included components, and local e-bike regulations before purchasing. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric bicycle conversion kits of 2026. Whether you're looking for more power, better hill climbing ability, easier installation, or a budget-friendly way to upgrade your existing bike, there's an option to match different riding needs. Remember to check your bike's compatibility, battery requirements, and local e-bike regulations before making your choice. You'll find the product links for all the conversion kits featured in this video in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and availability. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.